Hello my friend, how are you? I will say how to crimp RJ45 Cat6 cable. Okay. First of all, this one, remove the insulation, outside insulation. Okay. And then this one cutting. Okay, this one 4 pair inside 2. Look at. Okay, look at. This one orange or orange white, this one green or green white, this one gray or gray white, this one blue or blue white. Okay, I will make separate and start. First orange white, full orange, green white, then blue, blue white, after green or gray white, last gray. Okay, look at same small one. First orange white, second orange, third green white, fourth blue, fifth blue white, sixth this one green, seventh gray white, last gray. Okay, after cutting, then divide full color or half color. Look at like this. Divide separate. After putting divider, look at divider like this. Easy steps. Okay, look at divide, already divided. Downside full white, upside full color, gray, green, blue, orange. Look at this step. After then this one cutting, remove finish. After putting this one RJ45 like this, not like this, like this, putting inside, no problem. Look at this side, it's correct. Okay. After crimp, okay, finish. So okay, thank you.